As a baby, someone bathed you, and then as you got older, somebody supervised you as you washed yourself. And then eventually, as you got into middle school, you started showering alone. But here's the thing, no one actually taught you how to shower correctly. So you just probably kept on doing what you did in middle school. That ends today, because I built the ultimate 7-step shower system for men to actually do it right. Step 1. You don't start with soap. Most guys will step into the shower and immediately start soaping themselves up, but a real-world test revealed that this might actually be spreading the bacteria instead of removing it. Researchers ran a simple but revealing experiment. Participants stood under warm water for 10 minutes. One leg was washed with just the soapy running water, while the other leg was actually scrubbed with soap. To the naked eye, they both looked clean, but under a microscope, see, cleanliness was assessed first visually and then biologically with magnification to see where there was more bacteria. What they found was surprising. The leg that was washed with soap had higher density of bacteria than the leg that just allowed the soapy water to run down. The why? It's interesting. You see, soap loosens dirt, but without exfoliation, that grime, it'll just circulate on your skin surface. So all soap does is ends up mixing it and redepositing it onto your skin instead of removing it, which means just letting the soapy water run down your arms and your legs, it's not a bad thing. But to correctly wash the rest of your body and smell amazing, you need to understand step 2. You have to shower using the self-care protocol. The main reason your shower sucks is because you're using the products in the wrong order. Most guys are destroying their skin without realizing it. Not because they use bad products, but because the products that they do have, they're using them in the wrong order. So this is the correct, non-negotiable way to shower using the self-care protocol. This alone will fix your entire shower routine, and each step builds on the next. Every product works better in sequence when you follow this order. Start with S for scrub. You want to do this before you step in the shower and be dry, and you want to use a brush or an African net sponge. This is going to remove dead skin and clear your pores for everything that comes next. This also will prevent the bacteria from spreading, like I showed you in tip 1. E stands for eliminate hair, which means this is when you're going to shave right after exfoliation, but right before wetting yourself. This way your trimmer will reduce any ingrown hairs or any bumps, and you'll get a really nice close shave. L is for lather your hair. This is when you're going to shampoo to clean your scalp and strip any product buildup. Your conditioner will only work if your scalp is fully clean. At this step, I personally use a moisturizing dandruff shampoo. This one's from Geologie. It's like 17 bucks, but I want to make sure I never get those flakes, especially on my clothes. It looks dirty. F is for fix hair. This is when you apply conditioner and you leave it in. You want the conditioner to soak in while you move on to the rest of the protocol, because this is the step that's going to hydrate, smooth, and strengthen your hair. If you want an affordable conditioner with all the right ingredients, I also suggest you check out Geologie's strengthening conditioner. See, it's for cleansing your body. This is when you apply your body wash, as it's gonna spread easier and work better now that your skin is exfoliated, shaved, and softened. A is for your acne/face treatment. This is the step where you're gonna use your products like Panoxyl. You wanna let those products sit for 30 to 60 seconds on your face before you rinse them, because these targeted treatments only work if you time them right. But if you want something free and as effective, Geologie's skincare system is way better. Not only because I've used it for 5 years, but it's literally free for the first month. It's on me if you click the link down below right now. R is for rubbing your lotion. I want you to do this post-shower while your skin is still damp. This is gonna lock in hydration to prevent ashiness and tight skin. Here's a trick. Before you dry down with a towel, just wipe off the water beads with your hand. You're gonna be surprised as to how much water you can take off without needing a towel. And E is for enhance your scent. I want you to finish with a body spray or perfume. If you master the self-care protocol, your products won't just smell better, they'll work better. Step 3, you're washing the wrong spot. Most guys will spend time lathering up their arms and their legs daily like it's required, but those aren't even the dirtiest spots in your body. You've been showering wrong, and it's not because you're lazy. It's because no one told you where the bacteria actually hides on your body. So I'm gonna give you your new hygiene checklist that I need you to wash daily. And for the rest, you can just let the soapy water just run down your body and hit them. First, behind your ears. Staph bacteria thrives there. If you skip this, you'll always smell bad. Second is your belly button. It's dark, it's damp, and rarely ever clean. This breeds odor-causing bacteria. And third, outer nostril. Most guys don't even think about cleaning their nose, let alone the crease. This area collects oil, dead skin, and bacteria, which causes breakout. Your arms and legs, if they're not visibly dirty, washing them daily can actually just over dry your skin unnecessarily. And like I showed you in the first step, you can just allow the soapy water to run on them. Trust me on this. You master this checklist, you're gonna smell better, break out less, and stop wasting time on the body parts that don't actually matter. Step number 4, you're gonna smell good without cologne. As a man, it is important to smell good all day. Most guys, they'll walk out of the shower smelling clean for about 15 minutes. And then after that, nothing. So I'm gonna give you your 3-step scent stack that's gonna keep you smelling amazing from morning to night, even if you don't apply cologne. Step 1, you're going to use an antibacterial base cleanse. You want to start with the body wash that kills odor-causing bacteria at the source. Geologie's formula uses tea tree oil and eucalyptus, 2 natural antimicrobials. This is going to create a clean slate on your skin that actually holds scent. You need to understand, your body wash, it doesn't have to be expensive. It just has to work. And you can even get this body wash as a free add-on if you subscribe to Geologie skincare system, which, like I said, if you click the link down below, it's on me. It's free for the first month. Step 2, add a moisturizing lotion. After you towel off lightly and you're still damp, I want you to apply a moisturizing lotion that has either glycerin or shea butter, as both trap moisture and fragrance molecules within your skin. These are easy to find. When you're in the store, just look for any label that says ultra hydrating. It'll most likely have these 2 ingredients. And step 3, put on a deodorant. However, you want to make sure that your deodorant doesn't contain aluminum or baking soda. It's a popular ingredient, but it damages the skin and it can make you actually smell worse. The one that I personally use daily, it was named by GQ as the best deodorant for men in 2024 because instead of those 2 ingredients, it uses fermented sugarcane compound, which neutralizes odor-causing bacteria while also smelling amazing. It's both aluminum and baking soda free, clearing any sort of sweat-based odor while also letting your natural and layered scents shine. If you use all 3 steps I just showed you, people will ask you, what cologne are you wearing? What's the secret? The secret is your skin and that you just know how to shower properly. That's why I love Geologie and why I've used it for over 5 years. It's affordable, it's award-winning, and it just integrates into your routine seamlessly so you don't have to do extra steps. I want you to try Geologie as well. Look, if you want to build the perfect skincare system and grooming routine, Geologie is the place to go. Right now for free, there is nothing to lose. Click the link down below, subscribe to the skincare system to get it for free for your first month, and you'll get some additional free add-ons. Yo, this is the deal of a lifetime. Step 5, here are the tools that will 10x your shower. There are 6 basic hygiene tools every man needs in their shower. These will cost you less than $50 and they will 10x how clean you feel and how good you smell after every time you step out the shower. 1, a silicone body scrubber. This cleans better than a loofah and it doesn't trap bacteria. 2, a back scrubber. This is the most neglected area in your body and I know most of you haven't reached it in years. 3, a scalp massager that not only removes buildup but also stimulates hair growth. 4, a face scrubber because your face wash won't work as well if you don't use one of these. 5, a waterproof trimmer. That way you can trim in the shower and skip the cleanup. 6, a small mirror. You stick to these, bro, you have every tool to turn your shower into a grooming ritual, not just a dirty loofah. Step 6, I want you to filter your shower water. Think about it. Every time you step into the shower, your skin, your face, and your hair are under attack by whatever that is. This $20 shower fix will prevent that and prevent balding. So I want you to go to Amazon, buy a $20 shower filter and put it in. This is what's gonna happen when you start filtering your shower water for 30 days. Your first shower with it, you're gonna smell the difference. The water just smells cleaner, it feels cleaner, it makes you feel cleaner, and it smells more pure because the filter removes any chlorine, which reacts with organic matter to produce this like bleachy chemical smell. After 14 days, you're gonna notice your skin start to improve. Some filters even come with vitamin C built in, which smells like citrus and protects against bacteria. And after 30 days of showering with filter water, you're gonna notice your hair start to feel a bit thicker, fuller. That's because you've stopped stripping your hair from natural oils with that heavy metal-based water you used to shower with. Chlorine and heavy metals damage your hair follicles and promote hair thinning. Now, now your water's clean. Your tools are dialed in. You're using the products in the right order with the self-care protocol, and you're even washing the correct places. But none of this will matter if you're not actually motivated to do this routine daily, which is why my last step, step 7, is the most important step of all, the spa shower hack. This is the best tip to make your bathroom smell amazing. Especially if you're a person that always has sinus problems, this shower hack will have you breathing like you're the healthiest person alive. Go to Trader Joe's, buy a fresh bundle of eucalyptus leaves. Keep the rubber band on and then hang it over your shower head. As the steam starts to hit the leaves, natural oils start to release in your shower, clearing up your sinuses, calming your stress responses, and boosting your respiratory health. I am telling you, the way this opens your airways, it's like you're getting a lung transplant from the healthiest dude alive. It also reduces anxiety, helps manage blood sugar, relieves pain, and it smells incredible. It is an easy, cheap upgrade that makes you want to take a shower every day and actually follow this 7-step protocol so you can smell amazing always.